All right, today we have a 120-pound cone mandrel, Blacksmiths cone. Some people call it a cone anvil. It's for making welds on big rings and things like that. Gonna get it polished up for the auction this Friday in Arcola, Illinois. I'm going to take some snapshots and get started. Sorry I don't have a tripod, but I don't think anybody wants to watch me buff on a big piece of iron for 2 hours. But I'll take some snapshots and some video at the end. Alright. I'm at about the halfway point here. Figured I'd try to go do some footage. Alright, I'm almost gonna wrap this up on the buffing process. I figured I'd try to get some footage for you. And some more of that for about 20 minutes. But it's cleaning up. It's misting and raining out here. But we'll get it finished and oiled up and see what we got done here. There it is. I hit it with some oil, mineral oil, just to hopefully keep the rust back. See all them little nicks from years of use. Next up is some small anvils. Gotta get a couple smalls cleaned up. Not everybody wants a gigantic one. Almost looks like there's a C right there. But I don't know if they marked these or if I'd ever be able to find out what the maker was. I know that it's got a bob top about 3 inches around, so I don't know if that's how it was made, but no matter what, it's got a lot of life left into it. I paid a lot of money for this one. I hope it does good at the auction. That's January 25th, Arcola, Illinois.